Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy. And today I want to discuss something a little different. This is an idea that I'm going to borrow or steal from our occupational therapist here in the clinic. Now, it goes in line with our mission, which is to end chronic pain. Now, our occupational therapists, they specialize in hand stuff, meaning in hand therapy. So some patients, they ask, how do we open up a jar, all right? What's the easiest way to do it? And what's the safest way to do it if you have, let's say, arthritis on your hands, or let's say you have hand pain. So I'll discuss that in this video. All right, now some of the jars like this will have grooves, right? Makes it easier for you to grip and open it. But let's say if it's a jar of, like some food stuff, usually they have those metal lids that are very smooth and they're very slippery. So what can you do? You can use, these are some of the gadgets that you can use. Something like this. I just call it a gripper. What it has a rubber inside. They come in different brands, different designs. Okay? And what you do is, you're just gonna clamp it like this. Okay? And then the rubber will make it not slip, and you'll be able to open it more easily. So that's important because you're trying to make sure your hand doesn't slip so you can open up the lid faster. Now, if let's say you don't have this or you don't want to buy this, what's one thing that you can use? Rubber bands. This everybody has at home, very inexpensive, practically get it for free. So what you want to do is you put it around the lid, make sure it's tight. So I do it like this, just make sure it's tight here. Okay, so let me just fix this again. All right, so now you have that. So this will make the surface not slip from your hands. So when you grip it, it's gonna make it easier for you to open it. And this is even, this bottle I know has grooves, but even if it's one of those metal lids that is very slippery, I use this all the time. You don't have to keep gripping too much. It's not gonna hurt your hand. And even if it's tight and you don't have a lot of grip strength, trust me, you'll be able to open it much more easily. It's easier than when you use your shirt, because I've tried that also and that doesn't work as well. This one just works a lot better. All right, so why don't you guys try it out? And feel free to leave your comments below. I'd like to hear what you think and what you say. All right, and if you're having some hand issues, feel free to reach out to us. Our website, you can set up an appointment there, or we actually have a link on our website, goes to the occupational therapist website directly. You can actually reach out to us or to the occupational therapist there. All right, if you have any hand issues, definitely feel free to reach out, such as arthritis or carpal tunnel or tendinitis, things like that. All right, so if you like this video, feel free to share it with your family, friends. You can like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.